After watching this video, you will have all the tools you need to start streaming using Streamlabs Desktop to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Kick, or any other platform with the best settings, widgets, graphic overlays, and more. Let's get to it. Where you can download a computer. Once the program, and the first thing, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and then from there, you'll be brought back to the Streamlabs desktop application where you'll be presented with your layout editor. To give you guys a quick tour around Streamlabs desktop, let's first start off on the left side where you're gonna see this arrow icon that's pointing right. Click on that and that will expand the left side panel where you're gonna see at the top application specific customization features such as the editor where you can modify the layout of what your stream command center looks like. You can also enable studio mode in this section, which is great to do in case you wanna modify some of your scenes or sources while you're already live and you don't want your viewers to see what you're currently in the middle of trying to fix or build. We'll keep that off for now. Below that, you have your themes, which is a collection of free and paid for themes that Streamlabs Desktop, the App Store for additions and editing options together, then upload directly to YouTube. Below that, you have 3 Streamlabs links that you can check out. One is for Ultra, which is that's their premium paid for service that you can check out. You can access your dashboard from here. And then you have the Get Help link in case you need some further assistance. Next, you have the settings option. Space right now, that's where your scene is going to be presented with all of its objects or sources within it, which we'll show how to add in just a second. In this bottom panel is where you're going to have your scene. So you can have a scene for your gameplay, you can have a scene for starting, you can have a scene for showing your entire face cam or webcam. You're going to have sources within that scene to showcase what you're trying to present in that scene. Next to that, you're going to see your mixer, which is going to contain all of the different audio components or sources that you can monitor that are active within your stream. If you look a little bit, this is where your entire chat dialogue for your stream will show up. Now, if we go to the bottom panel, this is where we can test the alerts within our scenes to make sure that they're working the way that they're supposed to be. You can start and stop your recordings from here. To the right of that, this is where you can enable the replay button, clip, record. Over to our settings so that we make sure that these are right before we start building out any scenes or sources. The primary ones that I want to show you are first the stream section. So this is where you're going to have all of the different accounts that you plan on streaming to connected. Now, multi-streaming is not a free feature of Streamlabs Desktop, but at least you can select which platform you want to stream to. So just make sure you're logged into the accounts you ever plan on streaming to. If you want to go the custom route of using a stream key and a particular stream URL, let's say from Kick, for example, then you can go to the bottom here to select stream to custom ingest. For the stream type, you can change that to custom streaming server, and then you can put in that URL and that stream key to push to that special destination that don't have a service. To custom ingest. For the stream type,